Hi, my name is Krinar Komoni, CEO and founder here at Tive. Our mission is to empower every single shipper in 3PL with enhanced in-transit visibility data across all their shipments throughout the globe. We do this every day through our intuitive software and right here, these single-use, cost-effective multi-sensor trackers that provide comprehensive supply chain awareness, help you reduce freight claims, and most importantly, improve your customer's experience. Every day we enjoy the confidence of shippers, 3PLs, and brokers around the world. Today we're excited to be part of FreightWaves Live at-home event and hope everybody's staying safe. What we'll do today is showcase how our customers use the Tive Visibility Data Cloud to look at location and condition of all their shipments in real time, how easy it is to place these single-use trackers on your load, and also how you can set up alerts for temperature, humidity, set up alerts if somebody opened a trailer or a container, set up alerts on arrival and departure, and set up all those geofences, even a route deviation for a truck. And all these alerts get pushed into text messages, emails, or even through APIs into your systems. And then the logistics and supply chain managers get those alerts and act on it. But even if a trucker on the road while he's driving can get these alerts and act on it. Finally, we'll showcase how our customer can perform analysis across all their shipments and gain insights into their supply chain. Thank you, and enjoy the demo. Jumping here on the demo, the first thing you will notice is the login page. Once you log in with your unique username and password, the first screen that you see is our Tive Visibility Data Cloud. And this is the view of all the trackers that you have in your account. Here you can easily zoom in and out and also search for your trackers. Another view of your trackers can be shown using the trackers list page. Here you can see all the trackers, and in this case they're sorted by their last connection. Placing one of these trackers on the shipment is straightforward. You turn it on, place it on the load that you want to track, close the trailer or container, and off you go. Now you can monitor the exact location of the shipment and also temperature, light, humidity. Here you can see the light sensor while being placed in the trailer, and once the trailer is closed, the light sensor goes off. On the temperature view, you can see that the tracker was warm when turned on, and once it's placed in the trailer, it is in the 20 degrees Fahrenheit range, meeting the frozen requirements that this shipment required. Next, what we do is generate a report for this particular tracker. So here we're starting with the tracker, and also we're going to also dive into demoing the shipments and their associations to the tracker later on. We can select a date range from May 1st to May 2nd, generate the PDF report. It's pretty straightforward, takes a few seconds, and then off you go, download the PDF report. You can use this report for record-keeping purposes, audit, or even insurance claims. Quickly jumping to another shipment here, we show a tracker pinging every 5 minutes, and what's unique about Tive is that with the single-use trackers, we report industry's most accurate location. Here, now you can show how we associate trackers with a shipment. As you can see, we can create various fields on PO numbers, vendor names, type of product. As an example, here we have chicken drumsticks, and we associate various trackers and beacons with that particular shipment. You can also assign the carrier that is hauling that load. Now you can go to the home page and can easily search for chicken drumsticks, and you'll know exactly where that shipment with those drumsticks are. And if you're integrating into transportation management system, ERP, or CRM solution, you follow our API documentation. You can set up shipments. You can link shipment IDs. You can link the PO numbers, all of that on the back end. Another thing we want to show you here is when you're searching a shipment, you can click on, let's say this one going to Bloomfield, Connecticut. Once it opens up, you can see the shipment information, the distance from its final destination. You can see the temperature rising in this case when the trailer was opened. And if you look at the alerts, this one set up to kick in for temperature readings above 40 Fahrenheit. And you can see that it stayed above for an hour and 20 minutes when the shipment arrived at the destination and the trailer was open. The next thing we want to do is configure an alert profile. Here we can type up a profile name, say temperature 30 to 40 Fahrenheit, set up the notification when the shipment departs or arrives at a particular destination, set up alerts if the shipment is delayed, is going to be delayed, or even if the truck or a shipment is idle for more than X amount of hours. In addition, you can also set up geofences on arrivals and departures. It's pretty straightforward. Here you can pick up a simple radius, change the size of the radius, and also put a custom shape so that it matches, let's say, the shape of the warehouse or a DC where the tracker is going to depart from or arrive at. And because of the accurate location of our trackers, you can actually make that polygon pretty tight. Once you're done with setting up that, you click Save and also go to the next step, which you can also set up route geofences. With route geofences, this is mostly used for high security shipments. You can pick a particular route, and if a truck deviates from that route, you'll get an alert. As you can see here, it's very intuitive to use. The other thing you can set up on this page is temperature, humidity, and light alerts. Another example is the monitoring of an ocean shipment. Here you can see an ocean shipment, and what we're showing is that even in the middle of the ocean, we store the temperature data, and here all other sensor data were also transmitted when the tracker was close to ports. And here we can also zoom in on that temperature data when the shipment was in the middle of the ocean. On the final phase of the demo, very quickly we want to show the analysis page. And if you're doing hundreds of shipments a month with Tive, you get to really see what's happening with your supply chain. You can benchmark your carriers, see how various lanes are performing, and figure out the root cause of a particular issue. Once you do that, you can dive into a shipment that's causing that issue, as you saw here when we clicked on that shipment. That is all from our side, and thank you for tuning in.